Looking over stats for our clients, I noticed a lot of our users aren't using global search. I want to make this quick video to show you how powerful it is and how simple it is to set up. You'll notice here that now the new search window, we've unlocked pretty much all of the features inside of a sub account, and it instantly becomes available for search. So I'm going to show you how that works. I'm going to move this over here. You can access the search window. If I type in here, purchase, you'll notice now, not only do we have the contacts, of course you have, but you also have settings, custom values, workflows. Any workflow that has the word purchase in it instantly becomes there. Now what's great is we also use the routing feature for this plugin. If I want to edit the custom value, I just simply click on it and I go right there. So how does this work and how do you turn it on? Once you're in GHL Plugins, it's real simple. Just go to Global Search and Enable Service. Once you've done that, it's going to work across the agency. Now, if you don't want to use for all of your sub accounts, you can toggle this button and then you can put in the location ID and that location ID's API. I hope to see everybody activate this because it's super powerful and it is a lot of help.